the tall gums grow. The world slows down, the echoes fade, and the water tells the stories made. There's a boat out there, carving lines, tracing time in rippling signs. Hear the wind hum, soft and low, through the trees where the wild things go. Oh, where the rivers run so deep, through the forest, through my sleep. Gipsy Point, you call me home, through the quiet, through the storm. Tannin waters, dark as tea, holding secrets lost at sea. Pelicans drift in the hush of noon, and the stars will rise by the silver moon. There's a lodge on the waterside, with warm firelight and hearts open wide. Wednesday through Sunday, come sit for a while. Taste the inlet, taste the mile. Oh, where the rivers run so deep, through the forest, through my sleep. Gipsy Point, they call me home, through the quiet, through the storm. The last of summer fades to blue, autumn whispers something new. But I'll be back when the seasons do, to find the fire, to let it burn. Oh, where the rivers run so deep, through the forest, through my sleep. Gipsy Point, call me home, through the quiet, through the storm. Where the rivers bend and flow, where the tall